Hi everybody, I'm Carlin and I'm going to be doing the reindeer ornament for Santa's workshop. First off, you'll be needing some miniature bells. I am using 2. And you will need some googly eyes to put on your reindeer. Next, you'll need a Q-tip to get glue on and Rudolph's nose, a little pom-pom ball. Then you'll need your glue, your brown paint, and your ornament. Lastly, you'll need 2 pipe cleaners of the same length. We'll start by pouring our brown paint into the ornament with the top removed. Next, you'll start by slowly rotating the ornament, trying to get the paint on all of the inside of your ornament. After that, you'll start tipping your ornament over top of your empty paint and rotate it so you get all the extra paint out, but still trying to make the top part brown. After that, we will replace the cap and lay our ornament flat, grabbing our glue. We will take our Q-tip, dip it in the glue, grab one of our googly eyes, put a little bit on the back of the googly eye, and stick it on your ornament. You will do the same thing with the next googly eye. You will hold the googly eyes in place for just a minute. That's what it will look like. Next, we are going to take our pom-pom, put a little bit of glue on it, and I'm going to place mine just above the tip of the ornament. This is what it will look like when you are finished. We will take our brown pipe cleaners and start by wrapping it around the top of your ornament. It will look something like this. Then you're going to take your second pipe cleaner and cut two brown pieces from it. After that, you're going to stick the brown piece on, wrap it around once, and leave it like that. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Then I'm going to take my 2 bells and stick it through the loop. I'll do the same thing with my other bell. And this is how it will look when you are finished.